Welcome back guys, my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install Kali Linux in your VirtualBox. Let's get my computer screen, okay? First of all, you can go your browser, okay? Search your VirtualBox, VirtualBox, and enter. Link. Click on the first link, okay? Go to click in the download. Click in the Windows host. Click enter. Okay. I have already downloaded in my box. Okay. I'll show you how to install. Download. Double click. Yes. Next. Okay. Appear. Okay. Finish. Okay. Is already open and Kali Linux iOS file. Okay. Go to your browser. Kali.org and enter. And go to download and Kali Linux iOS files. Go to iOS installer image. Okay. Enter. Click and iOS file. Okay. Download here. This. Okay. And go your browser. I have already installed Kali Linux iOS file. Okay. Go to your browser and open here VirtualBox and new. Next. Generation take okay. Take and go to your iOS file. Okay. Kali Linux. No. Linux OS Linux. Okay. OS Linux. Get the version. OS version. No, go your OS version. OS distribution. Click and go to Ubuntu other Linux. Go to other links. ARORAC other links. Okay, enter. Click and go to OS version. Okay. Suitable. Okay. And click in the finish and open a setting. And go to storage and go to click in the empty and go to it's okay. Choose your disk. Choose our disk file. Okay. Choose disk file. Click in the Kali Linux as file. Okay. Enter. okay, and increase your Linux storage. Okay, click in the file and tools and media, tools and media, and click in the okay this increase your file 30. Okay, and apply. Okay, go to your file. Okay, and let's start. Okay, zoom out and enter. Click in the continue language, continue English and register, continue American English, continue. Host name Kali, continue. Domain name no, continue. On your full name. Okay, next. Finally, guys. Okay, go to control, continue. Finally, guys, successfully installs. Okay, connects in BuzzleBox and control enter.